Let me tell you, I said that she loved us, she loved Oromo, she loved my people. She's so sweet, she's so innocent. But she's like my sister. I told them this.
Astaghfirullah, guys. He's calling sister in your language, but in my language, he's calling me wife. It's not good, guys. He's playing match. He's a player.
Seexana kana foon haadha ofiyyuun beektu bara. Nan gubadhe foon haadha eddan mucaa kana bare jireenya kootu babbade akkas. Akkuma intini.
Somebody's playing. Is he me or the followers down?
शिवानी तुम सचमुच मुझको प्यार करते हो क्या?
हाँ, और तुम मुझे ब्लॉक करना चाहते हो ना?
सचमुच शिवानी
तुम मुझे ब्लॉक करना चाहते हो?
नहीं क्यों करते हो तुमको ब्लॉक? तुम सचमुच मुझको प्यार करते हो?
हाँ, मैं मर रही हूँ तुम्हारे प्यार में, पता तुम्हें?
सचमुच?
सच में मैं कल मैं जा रही हूँ कूदने, अपनी घर की छत से कूद जाऊंगी मैं कल.
तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो शिवानी.
यार, if I was lying, why I will come on your every live and I will say don't talk with Raju like this. He's mine. Why I will say that? Tell me.
क्या पता, मुझको क्या पता शिवानी. तुम तो मुझ पे ड्रामा करते हो. क्यों करते हो तुम ऐसा?
तुम दुनिया पे ड्रामे करते हो, मैं नहीं करती. Did you ever saw me with someone else?
तुम मुझ पे ड्रामा करती हो. क्यों करते हो तुम?
क्या तुमने मुझे किसी और के पास देखा अभी तक?
मैं ऐसी बात नहीं जानता. मुझको एवरी बात सच्चा लगता है मुझको शिवानी. अब सच्चा लग रहा है.
गाइस, दब्बू मेरा प्यार चेक कर ले एक बारी. मेरा दोस्त आया दब्बू. हाँ,
कौन है डब्बू?
मेरा दोस्त है. ओ हेलो राजू.
क्या है?
हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है.
क्या है?
या तो मेरे घर वालों से शादी की बात कर लो.
या तो क्या?
सलाम एवरीवन. दब्बो मेरी जान, क्या हाल है? और या तो तुम खुले हम पूरी दुनिया को बोलो कि शिवानी सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी है.
हुकुम, मैं विन कर रहा. The game.
Guys, everyone
I am the winner. I will punish you. Get up and dance. Get up.
Hello, punishment on 2K. You are winning
2K.
by the score of 700. Okay, let's do one thing on 1000. Okay, is it fine?
Guys, double tap, go down.
5,000. Everyone 1,000. Guys, double tap. Everyone double tap. Guys, anyhow we have to hit 1,000. Then he will do. Guys, I'm gonna mute him. He's trying to catch Sarah from my side. Guys, anyhow we have to win this match.
Guys, mumoon kabdushi. Yero dabbatu share game beku. Ma fakka sodatum beku.
Guys, let's hit more, guys. I'm gonna mute him. Hiya, thank you. I muted him. We can't let him in anymore because he's trying to catch Tolera from my side. Tolera, I know you love me. I know Tolera, you love me. And I know we will win this match. Inshallah, we will win this.
Shivani, you love everyone.
I said... I didn't say I love him like the way I used to love as my boyfriend or my husband. I said he loves me as a broadcaster.
Everyone loves you, Shivani. What do you think yourself? Who are you?
I'm a queen. Guys, stop.
Tolera, thank you, Tolera.
Tolera, come back. See, he's very smart, guys. He's very smart.
Yes, you know.
We caught Tolera back on his side. It's not good, guys. It's not good.
Thank you, Tolera. Thank you.
Tolera, don't do that. Tolera, come back. Come back, Tolera.
It's not Tolera. It's Tolera.
Tolera, come back. Daji, thank you so much. Guys, hit something big. He crossed 5K,
Get up
guys.
in the dance, Shivani. Come on, get up in the dance.
I never dance on my life. Wallahi,
I don't care. I don't care.
I will sit and I will dance. Wallahi, I will sit and dance, but I can't stand and dance.
How you can sit and dance? You have to stand up and dance.
I never dance. It's not good in my culture. If I'm standing and dance on the live, wallahi.
I saw your video. You dance.
No, videos is different, but on live I never dance. It's like against of my culture. Wallahi.
It's not.
Shivani. If you ever saw me, I'm dancing on live. I never dance on live.
Shivani, giri mat karo.
No, not giri. Raju, it's against of my culture. You have to ask my audience. They will tell you. It's against of my culture. He's a drama guy. He's a gir right now. Oh, he wants to see you how you look. How you look when you stand. Astaghfirullah. Everybody is saying down. I know you can't dance because of my culture.
Everybody might oromo to go to Jiramitimo. How they know? They all are my people in your life. I know that.
Don't do that. I can't dance because of my culture. Wallahi. I'm not lying.
Shivani.
I will do any hukum. You will say, put powder on your head, put water on your head. I will do everything. But for this dance, I can't. I can sit and dance, but I can't stand and dance. I will dance like this, okay?
I don't want you to dance like that. Go take a shower. That will be my second.
You gone mad? I'm gonna take 5,000 and I will show my body to entire world. You think I'm this much mad lady? Are you mad?
Shivani, dance mat karo. Stand up. We wanna see you. Come on, stand up. Don't dance. We wanna see you. We wanna see you stand up.
Why? You have to make a score of 10K if you want to see me.
I want to see you now.
No, you have to make a score of 10K.
Shivani.
Yeah, listen, you have to respect for something, not to such me.
क्या है तेरा sound नहीं? Shivani, गिरी मत करो.
No, wallahi, Achu, you have to understand some things. It's against of my culture.
Don't dance. We just want to see you.
You can't see a girl like this. If you are my man, you can see me. If you will say publicly, Shivani is mine, then you can say that.
Shivani, please go in there.
You have to make your score of 10K. I will do sit-ups 10 times in front of you. If your score will hit 10K, only then. Are you ready for this battle?
Guys, double tap.
double tap की बातें कर रहा है मैं बैठी. See, everybody is saying no. Yeah, even your people are saying no. Just imagine. They know about no dance, haram. Everybody is saying haram. Astaghfirullah, guys.
Shivani, stop your giri.
Raju, tell me something. I will write. I will put something in my head.
I don't want that. You said if I go for 10K, you will do the same, yeah?
Yeah, I will do 10 sit-ups. Wallahi, I will do 10 sit-ups. If he will hit 10K, I will do 10 sit-ups.
Shivani, do you have a leg?
What?
Do you have a leg?
Leg?
Yeah.
Everybody have leg.
Then why are you afraid to stand up?
Why I will stand? But you have to make your score 10K. Why I will waste my energy? I will stand.
Shivani, you have no leg. I don't believe you. You have no leg, Shivani.
I'm chicken. Guys, double tap. Guys, he's doing giri. That's it.
तुम गिरी करके
Color on my side. I know I can win. Guys, double. Everyone play. Awel, Haji. Welcome, guys, double. Guys, let's hit something big. Guys, I have to win this match. Anyhow, I have to win this match.
Loco, thank you,
the
guys.
score is going up. Cute boy. Thank you so much, cute boy. Guys, 26 seconds. Guys, hit something big. Thank you, cute boy. Guys, 20 seconds. Guys, 20 seconds. Thank you, cute boy. Thank you so much. Guys, let's sit. Guys, Tolera, come back, Tolera. I'm gonna unfollow you, Tolera. Now, I'm gonna unfollow you. Guys, 9 seconds.
Guys,
thank you, sweet boy. Thank you so much, sweet boy. Big respect
for you. Thank you, Togumag.
Astaghfirullah, no.
Garmamu tola phone anak. Now, I got you. Yomiko, thank you. I got you. You ask for 10K, here is 10K. Go. Stand up. Stand up.
Guys, play, guys, play. Guys, I want to win this match. Wallahi, I want to win this match. Anyhow, I want to win this match. Tolera, it's not good. Wallahi, you ditched me. Chokuma, everyone. They ditched me. Wallahi, it's not good.
Shivani, Gregory mat karo. Get up.
I'm broken. I'm broken, Rachu. I'm broken.
Get up into the sit-up.
Murti love. Thank you.
Shivani. Shivani, let me.
At least win the match then. There is like 2 minutes left.
Let me pee.
Tolera, it's not good, yaar. It's not good. अरे चुप पहले जीत जाओ उसके बात करूंगी. You have to win first. You have to win first, yaar. At least win, then say that, no?
Are you thinking to? Huh? Seriously?
Guys, I can win. I know my people. I know very well. If somebody will come and they will snipe, khalas, you are gone.
You think it's that simple?
Yeah, you don't know what my scores in my matches.
Shivani, come on, get up. Get up and dance. Come on, Shivani.
Dance. My foot, I will do dance. I will do sit-ups, okay? You told me for the sit-ups, I will do that.
No, Shivani, go for dance.
Hello, I told you it's against of my culture. Sorry, I can't do that.
Shivani.
I told you 1,000 times more than that. I can't do dance. I will do sit-ups. I told you. I will do sit-ups.
Mere liye, Shivani.
Rachu, I can't do. My mom will kill me.
Mere liye,
She's
Shivani.
on my life. I can't do that.
Shivani, mere liye.
Rachu, my mom is sitting on my life. My audience will unfollow me. Little bit I have, 100 or 200 only. They will unfollow me.
Shivani, sirf mere liye.
You can't. Why are you not understanding? It's a big thing.
Video call karo. Video call में तुम गाना dance करोगे मेरे लिए.
तो थप्पड़ दूं कान के नीचे? You think I will dance? I will do sit-ups. I told him I will do sit-ups, but I can't dance. How many sit-ups?
I will never play. तुम आपके साथ में गेम नहीं करूँगा आज के.
क्यों? तुमने बोला sit-ups में करो, दिमाग मत खराब कर राजू.
मुझे डांस चाहिए, sit-ups नहीं. डांस करो.
Rachu, why are you not understanding? It's a very big thing in my culture. I can't do dance on live. You have to understand. I'm doing 10 sit-ups, okay? One.
No, this is not sit-up. This is kuch bidik. Kuch bidik in English nya na malida.
What I will do? You said sit-ups, I'm doing sit-ups. This is sit-ups. Rachu, are you doing masti with me this time in the night? Are you going mad?
तुम गिरी करते हो.
तुम गिरी कर रहे हो, दिमाग खराब कर रहे हो यार. Should I do or what? Tell me. I don't have time.
Sit-up ini sakana miti mo ako.
You sit-ups?
Yeah, this one.
Like up and down, up and down, up and down.
This one. Let me show you. This one.
This is not sit-ups. This is not sit-ups. Sit-up is this. Sit-up is this.
Kana mal jedani.
This is sit-up.
Kana mal jedani. Malif no show what
This is not sit-up even. What are you doing?
Malif no show what way.
Rachu, this is not sit-up. Yeah, this is down up, what you are doing right now.
Shivani, garmamu tola.
You are garmamu tola now.
Garmamu tola.
Garmamu.
Garmamu tola.
Yeah, he's doing musty with me. I don't know, he's in a good mood today or what. He's pulling my leg.
Shivani, garma mutola.
Garma mutoya.
Phona dako.
Kya?
Phona dako.
Phona rakho.
Garma mutola. Phona dako.
Garma mutola. Phona rakho.
Seetana kana be Jesus. Okay. Do the Sita.
Okay, 10 times, right?
You will say garma mutola when you see
Garma mutola.
One.
Garma mutola.
Say it loud.
Garma mutola. Arena. I have neighbors also here, okay? You have to understand that. Garma mutola. Garma mutola. Garma mutola. Done. It's
Turn
10.
around, Shivani.
I did 10 times.
No, it's not 10 times. You did only 3 times. Turn around.
Hello, 5 times I did, okay?
Turn around.
Hello! I will slap you, okay? Guys, see what the fuck he's saying now.
Shivani, turn around.
I will turn you around and I will kick your ass then. Guys, double tap, everyone double tap. Tolera, welcome back. Tolera, welcome back, Tolera, welcome.
Okay, finish the 5. Garma mutola. Say garma mutola and finish it. Go.
Garma mutola. Garma mutola.
Go make him do the Sita. What's wrong with you, Shivani?
I tried. Thank you so much, kid one. Garma mutola. Garma mutola. Garma mutola. Garma mutola. It's done. I did 10 times now.
You don't have much offensive. Get offensive in Taninati mistake.
Guys, if he was saying something bad, he was saying turn around and do the everything. So I'm not gonna. I will send him. I'm gonna cancel the match because you are saying something bad because everybody's telling me and I can't take this.
Shivani.
See, Rache, whatever you are saying, I'm gonna end up this right now if you will say something rubbish. And I will block you right now if you will say something rubbish on live. I'm serious. Now I'm in an angry mode.
I didn't say any rubbish thing, but you can do whatever you want.
So you want to see every girl's body on live while they're dancing? I can't do that. You are saying turn around and do the sit-ups? I can't do that.
I did. My
you
friend.
Just imagine if your wife is sitting and somebody will say, can you please show me, can you please turn around and do sit-ups? Can you please dance for me? What you will say? Tell me.
Shivani, my friend is asking me for you.
It's not good. Even your friend Maki also used to do hijab, right? She used to do that.
Don't call someone's name.
No, stop. I'm giving the example. You have to respect everyone.
Shivani, stop talking nonsense.
You are talking nonsense today, and I'm super angry today on you.
Have a good day, Shivani. Bye.
See, he don't know how to respect, and now he's telling me to go away.
Good night, Shivani.
Rachu, you have to respect me. I always give you respect. Always. Did I ever said you bad?
I respect you, Shivani.
But you can't say that to me to just dance or whatever it is.
Good night, Shivani.
Okay, I'm leaving. Now I'm super angry on you. Wallahi. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Yoo lammaffaa deebitee dhuftu taanaan giligiliidhaanaaf foon haadha ko ani nan tasa qaayee bar akkamitti akkan mucaa kanarraa addaboo dhugaa rabbii kaleessaan anfooloo gochuu jedheen sheemiin maaf akka ta'e hin beeku sheemiin na qabe otoo deebitee natti dhufuu baatteeyyuu nagaa haadhaani ani tasa qaayee bar foon haadha ko gimmaashni as dhufee na arrabsa maagashita jedhanii na arrabsitu Yeroon immoo baasu Shivanii maaf baaste Shivanii maaf sabte. Foon haadha qoni boqonnaan argadhe deebitee natti nuftu tana deema akkas jedhaatti hima. Warra qaxaaronni warra qaxaraa turtan deema akkas jedhaatti hima. Raachuuni akkas jedheera Ingilizanya dhuma guyyaa biraa sin dhibu gaafa qaxaruuf ta'u isaa fiddu ani na dhibdu bar foon haadha qoni. Ingilizanya guyyaa biraa raachuu maal jechaa jirti raachuu maal jechaa jirteettu. Gaafa qaxaruuf ta'u garuu eessa akka ta'e dishkinarii qabdu dishkinarii irraa tak gootanii qaxartu miti. Deemanii ani dhugaa rabbi kalees har'a guyyaa laayivii irra turte laayivii ishee irra galeeloon ilaalu nama 500 jira hundumtu Oromoon giftariin top 1 top 2 top 3 Oromoon. Shivanii raachuu jedhuni amma hin ciiqu deemanii raachuu jedhuni. Ana naasa gaayyaa anaaf boqonnaa dabar foon anaaf giligilii dabar. Ani namaas qayyamu waan hin barbaanneef malee amma yoona inni daafii isheen tasaqaayyee duuf bar. Haartu maal aarti isheen waan fakkii ምናምን jecha haasofti miti moo guyyaa bira inni safuu miti isa kanatu safuu ta'e. Arabaa ishedhaani beekaa akkas taati bar foon haadha qo mucaan duuriyyee dabar. Ani nan beeka baay'isee. Engadda qalallo gooteetu hiriyaan koo tokko dhiira jira. Hiriyaan koo si hafaqqareera masalee naan jette. Maal jechuudhaan jedhanii neen ay geeta hundi geedhaa si hafaqqaree masalee yeroo godhan si waamaa naan jette. Baala gee dabar foon haadha. Yeroo isheen fakkii naam jettee haasoftu safuun ta'uu yeroo tarnaarraa hundeeroo heddu respectii maaliin respectii nan godha bar respectiin kana caalu hin jiru. Maali isin immoo isheen isinitti qalladde foon haadha godhuuriyyeedha. Hin barbaannan tagalaagal.